Good afternoon, children. Myself Rashmi Shah, your SS teacher. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today is our second session of chapter number 2, A Journey from a Primitive Man to the Settled Life. That is from a hunter and gatherer to the farmer's life. From hunting, he came to the farmer life. So that is what we have learned in the first session. Today in the second session, we will start with the first topic about discovery of fire and a wheel. Now these two discoveries were the very important discovery in the life of a human being. About approximately 11,000 years ago, man discovered fire. Now with the help of fire, he started cooking the food. He got the light, started protecting themselves from the wild animals. He also discovered wheel, by which they started making the cart and started going from one place to another with the help of a cart. So these are the most important revolutionary change in the life of a human being. From here we can say the first step to the settled life began in the life of a primitive man. How the idea came in the mind of a primitive man to make a wheel? You can see here one man is sitting on the stone. Now a log of wood is coming rolling down towards him. He was just watching that log of wood. When he watched the log of wood coming down towards him, he got an idea. Why should he not cut the log of wood into the pieces, that is a round piece, and will make something from it? And that idea has brought a change, that is he made a cart like this to carry the things from one place to another. Further, they made the bullock cart, which helped them to move from one place to another. That is, we can say, the oldest transportation. Now the second invention, that is discovery of fire. You can see a man sitting here having two stones in his hand. He was rubbing the two stones, that is orange and yellow color stones are there in his hand. He was rubbing the stones. Now many times he rubbed the stone and suddenly a big spark appears which fall on the dry grass which was falling before him, which was lying before him. Now that grass catch the fire, and that was the discovery of fire. This is how a man's first step towards the settled life came, or we can say they started their first step towards the settled life. The next topic is about changing environment. About 12,000 years ago, there was a wide change in the atmospheric condition, we can say, all over the world. And due to that reason, the development of grassland also increased, and because of that the herbivorous animals, or we can say the grass eating animals like goat, deer, they also started, sheep, they also started increasing. Primitive man came in contact with wheat, barley and other grains. Due to the production of agriculture, the primitive people started a settled life. We can say they also came into the contact with these grasslands. They came into the contact with the crops like wheat and barley, and that was again the other important survival thing for them, or we can say a nomadic life now came to an end and a settled life began, because now he started living near the river bank. He started making the huts. So that is what a change came in into him. Slowly and gradually he started adjusting himself. He started, we can say, protecting the animals. He started keeping the animals with him. He started the animal husbandry also. He started getting the milk from the animal. So this is how the change came in the life of a primitive man. Slowly. It is not like that a sudden change came, but slowly a change came in the life of a primitive man, we can say. As the wanderer life came to an end, there was a wide change in the food habit, clothes and shelter of a primitive man. See, in the next paragraph they have given here that they made farming implements with the help of stone and wood. They made the houses with the help of mud and grass, we can say. They started living near the river bank. Why? Because they feel that to grow the crops we will need the water. Now if they are growing the crops, they felt that thinking that this fell a thought that if we are growing the crops, where should we preserve the crops after they are ripened? And so for that reason they made the big pots of mud to store the grains. So slowly they came into the life of a nomadic life, to the settled life, we can say. Now we got many such places. From many such places we got the information about how the settled life of a primitive man began. We can say the archaeologists or the historians, who tells us about the history, they gives us the information about the history, right? You all know that. Now these people went to many places, like we can say Burjam, Bhimbetka, Mehergarh, Imangaon. These are the important places. We can say Lakhnaj. These are the places, important places where these people went and they got the information regarding it. They found sharp stone implements. They found bones of animals. They found the bones of we can say children. Also they found the bones of we can say the human being, like we can say big people. Even they found the crops like wheat, barley, such thing also they found there, or bajra we can say. Now one of the place they have given here is Mehergarh, which is at present in Pakistan. Now here they found many of such evidences. You can see how they were constructing their houses. They were constructing their houses in a rectangular shape. With a small barn in it. स्मॉल बार्न एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे वो ग्रेन्स को स्टोर कर सके, क्रॉप्स को स्टोर कर सके. सो दैट वॉज दे वर मेकिंग इन देयर हाउसेस. सेकेंड, they have given about the Imangaon, which is in Maharashtra. Here when they were constructing the houses, in the round shape. Here they got the bones of small children also. Earlier they have given that, we can say about the parents, you can say they have got the bones of parents at many places in Mehergarh, but in Imangaon, that is in Maharashtra, they got the bones of children. They got the bones of many other animals also. So that was the evidence they found when they searched at such places. We can say that they started, I told you, they were making the house in a round shape. They reared cattle also. They have done the farming of bajra and we can say barley. So these are the crops they were finding there. This is how a primitive man changed his life. That is, from a hunter and gatherer to the farmer's stage. Here your chapter is been finished. I am ending your chapter here only. You can see the picture of the Burjam, which are in Kashmir. The houses they have constructed here. How they were constructing their houses with the help of mud, or we can say the grass and thatches which were available that time. So that is how they were constructing their houses. This is the end to your chapter number 2. Kindly read the chapter first and then do the assignment, which I will send you in the October. And kindly learn the chapter number 1 and 2, please, because I may keep one test paper also in October, which you have to do it. So I request you all to read the chapter, to learn chapter number 1 and 2 also. Okay, till then, bye, good day and have a nice day.